Hey everyone, Atiker here from Suitable Reviews. Today I'm testing the Miracase Magnetic iPhone 17 Pro Max case. And yes, we're doing drop tests. If you're new here, I give honest reviews with no sponsorships. Let's dive in. First impressions. This liquid silicone feels premium. I got the orange color, but there are 8 options. The texture is smooth, doesn't attract dust, and feels great in hand. Installation is super easy. Just snap it on from one corner and you're done. What makes this special? It's 3.0 millimeters thick, double the standard 1.5 millimeters, but it doesn't feel bulky at all. The raised edges protect both the screen and camera. See this lip? Your screen never touches the surface when placed face down. The genius feature is this integrated camera control cover. It protects the new button while keeping it fully functional. Light press, full press, times everything works perfectly. MagSafe test. Snap. Strong magnetic connection. Perfect alignment. Wireless charging works flawlessly with no overheating. Now for drop tests on concrete. Waist height drop, case took the impact. Phone is perfect, not a scratch. Head height drop from 6 feet. More scuffing on the case, but the phone underneath is completely fine. Face down screen drop. This is the scary one. And the screen is perfect. That raised lip saved it. After 30 days of daily use, no yellowing, no discoloration, button still precise, grip is excellent. The anti-fingerprint coating actually works. Pros: legit protection, perfect MagSafe compatibility, brilliant camera control cover, lifetime replacement guarantee, premium feel, 8 color options, affordable at $25–30. Cons: add slight bulk, mute switch cutout could be bigger, no clear version available. Final verdict: 4.5 out of 5 stars. Should you buy it? Absolutely yes. If you want protection without breaking the bank. This $30 case could save you from a $600+ repair bill. Link in the description. Full written review at Suitable Reviews.com. If this helped, hit like and subscribe. Drop a comment with what color you're getting. I'm Atiker from Suitable Reviews, and I'll see you in the next one. Stay protected.